In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create similar 3D AI model photos. You've probably seen a lot of these trending AI photos on Instagram and Facebook, and now I'll guide you step by step on how to make them yourself. First, open the Chrome browser on your phone. Go to Google and search for Google Gemini. From the results, open the official website. Once you're on the site, tap on the plus symbol icon to upload the photo from your gallery that you want to transform. After uploading, enter the prompt. I'll provide the exact prompts for you in the video description. Now send it, and within a few seconds, your AI-generated 3D photo will be ready. You can also experiment with different prompts to create unique and creative styles. When your photo is generated, you can easily download it using the download option at the top. And just like that, you've created your own trending AI photo in minutes. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,